it's intimidating technology. And I think for a lot of people, not just lawyers, but I mean for a lot of people, and I try to help people understand it and get a little foot in the door, and I think they realize it's not as daunting as they may first think, and I think then a lot of people get interested in it. And again, this is a technology that touches so many different areas that it's bound to reach something that you're interested in, right? It's it's financial technology, but it's also data. It's
Right.
it's social media. It's any different thing. It's a layer that could reach some other new space that you're interested in. I mean, I love wine, right? So there's a lot of talk about, can we track the authenticity of wine using blockchain and things like that, so that that when you buy a 1998 vintage of something, it's worth it. Art, you can do the same thing with art, and now all these new formats for art. So I think it's the kind of thing that people are seeing it touch the things that they're interested in, totally outside of the law, or and then they think, oh, this is cool. I think I am interested in this space.
I think that's a really good point, and that's something that I struggle with. But when I'm talking to people who are less into tech than me, when they go, well, NFTs, aren't they just it's like something? It's a digital thing. You're looking at it on a computer. Like, what is it? I think that the art world is just one of those worlds where it made a lot of sense right away. But as you're explaining, it's like, think about a bottle of wine, think about a pair of shoes, think about anything that is assigned some sort of a price.
Right.
Who assigns that price depends on what we're talking about. But all of that is not, this isn't sort of like play money land.
No.
It's
real thing.
100% real.
Yeah. And I think the more that this technology grows, and the more that the tools grow to make it more accessible to the people that just want to look at shoes and art, then I think the more people will feel less intimidated by it as a whole.